It's Jeremy from Winnow Water Gardens. We go to a lot of trouble to grow great pond plants. So we also go to a lot of trouble to pack them to get them to you in the best condition possible. Today I'm going to show you how we pack the plants. I'm going to show you how to unpack your plants as well. We use Australia Post. They ship Australia wide and they'll usually deliver to your door. But keep an eye on your letterbox because they may put a card in there and you've got to collect it from your post office. And remember, we ship plants on Mondays and Tuesdays. Open your box and you'll find 2 slips of paper inside. One is a packing slip, which tells you what plants you bought, and the other is an unpacking slip. Keep this with you handy next to the pond, and that'll give you a guide on how to unpack your plants. All plants will arrive wrapped in a cardboard sleeve, so carefully using your knife, you can cut this sticky tape, and inside you'll find your plant is also wrapped in a plastic bag. That'll allow the plant to ship between 5 and 6 days, and there's a small bamboo skewer which stops the plant moving around in the sleeve. Make sure you remove that and remove the plastic bag. You'll also notice that the plants have a label on them to tell you which plant's which, especially if you bought several for your collection. Take your floating ring that comes with all plants, pop your plant inside it and drop your plant straight in the pond and it's ready to go. If the foliage is looking a little tight or there are a couple of broken pieces, you can remove those and you'll find within 3 or 4 days the plant will be looking fantastic. We also include a fertiliser tablet sample. Half a tablet does a 7 centimetre pot like this, and 1 tablet does one of our 12 centimetre pots. And remember, we recommend fertilising your plants once a month from September through to April. If you need more information, jump on the website winnowwatergardens.com.au.